Hello, Michael. Today we're going to talk about jobs in the future. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Let's start. What job would you have in the future? In the future, I would be a professional account. I will work for an international company and help people manage their finances better. How will your daily life be like? My daily life will be very organized. I will work from home some days and from the office on orders. Technology will make my job easier and faster. How do you think jobs will change in the future? I think jobs will be more digital and flexible. People will use artificial intelligence and robots to do repetitive tasks. Jobs will be more creative and connect, connected. What skills will people need for future jobs? People will need to be more adaptable, learn new technologies and speak more than one language. Creativity will be more important than today. What would you be able to do that you can't do now? I will be able to work from anywhere in the world and earn money online. I might also have my own own accounting business one day. One thing won't you do in your job? I won't work in boring office with no technologies. I won't stop learning new skills because the world will change fast. Do you think jobs in the future will be better than today? Yes, I think so. They will be more comfortable and flexible. People will have more free time and a better balance between work and life. Thanks, Michael. No, thank you for the interview.